The rhythm makes a move, never stop, shit's ill. The steel in the front of my boot makes it knock. Yeah, that's what I call a kick drum. When I kick dumb chuds till they spit up blood, that's where they get them symptoms from. Working class anti-fascists from the hood, they like, where's his income from? Bitch, I pay rent in the slums, ain't no Soros money. I must be funded by a billionaire cause I find your bullshit morals funny. This is straight out the gutter, scummy. Willing to work hard to get paid, and that's why your mother loves me. I do it for the workers, lumpins, and everyone in between. I don't do it for middle managers with rich cousins who help them live the dream. Meet me on the street, I'll throw a quick jab and hit you clean. Rappers only bite cause I'm the real radical they wish to be. My toolbox is an arsenal. Cover your body with scars at will. Methods of self-defense, I'm hard to kill. My toolbox is heavy as fuck. Weighs a ton, sharp tools to sever your tongue. When I swing, be ready to duck. My toolbox can handle any project. I cast a large net with my style. I can sample a comment. Got too many weapons to count. Knock the breath out your mouth. You're still vertical, but your head's on the ground. I'm just that cat with 9 lives and 9 tails. Yet still I land on my ass when I fail. Debunk your wives' tales, they're quite frail. Joe Rogan shits the litter box when my mind swells or gets swole. I'm American straight out the shithole. We just playing Monopoly, it's your turn, bitch, roll. Go bankrupt by landing on boardwalk. Into history, the revolution is over, the poor's lost. Let that sink in like Musk with sad dad jokes. Douchebag got that plumber crack, left his ass shown. I'm just playing, he's too dumb to be a plumber. Here comes the real red wave to drown him while he slumbers. Give Gates and Bezos the same treatment. I hit the streets after I call in for my second weekend. Their own actions leave the power structure weakened. Death to global capital, you don't like it? Fuck you, leave it. My toolbox is an arsenal. Cover your body with scars at will. Methods of self-defense, I'm hard to kill. My toolbox is heavy as fuck. Weighs a ton, sharp tools to sever your tongue. When I swing, be ready to duck. My toolbox can handle any project. I cast a large net with my style. I can sample a comment. Got too many weapons to count. Knock the breath out your mouth. You're still vertical, but your head's on the ground. Neison's got that advanced sampling tech. You confused about the world, that's why it seems random as heck. Drop another anthem and flex. You misunderstood the abstract cause you didn't read the actual text. If it ain't black sweats and Tims, then it's Dickies, black chucks, black hoodie, and a Lobo cap. Your favorite producer's favorite producer, but I also do that solo rap. Take a decade off, within a year, I got my mojo back. It's just like riding a bike to the moon. Instinct, second nature, picking fights in saloons. Motherfuck America and the tripe we consume. Argue over nonsense in spite of these crises that loom. Labor aristocrat, still struggle to pay rent. My sadist haters are into that. See, they want us all starving and homeless, but when we realize they're outnumbered, that's gnosis. My toolbox is an arsenal. Cover your body with scars at will. Methods of self-defense, I'm hard to kill. My toolbox is heavy as fuck. Weighs a ton, sharp tools to sever your tongue. When I swing, be ready to duck. My toolbox can handle any project. I cast a large net with my style. I can sample a comment. Got too many weapons to count. Knock the breath out your mouth. You're still vertical, but your head's on the ground.